Kidz Kit.
Hi kids, let's learn animal alphabet. A. Ant. A for ant. B. Bear. B is for bear. C. Cow. C is for cow. D. Dog. D is for dog. E. Elephant. E is for elephant. F. Fish. F is for fish. G. Giraffe. G is for giraffe. H. Horse. H is for horse. I. Iguana. I is for iguana. J. Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K. Koala. K is for koala. L. Lion. L is for lion. M. Monkey. M is for monkey. N. Novel. N is for novel. O. Octopus. O is for octopus. P. Pig. P is for pig. Q. Quail. Q is for quail. R. Rabbit. R is for rabbit. S. Snake. S is for snake. T. Turtle. T is for turtle. U. Urchin. U is for urchin. V. Vulture. V is for vulture. W. Worm. W is for worm. X. X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. Y. Yak. Y is for yak. Z. Zebra. Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.